Hey guys, my name is Arijit, and in this video I'm going to talk about the core concepts of why 96% of the affiliate marketers fail in this industry and why 4% of the affiliate marketers are making the huge or making the 96 rest percent of the money, right? So as an entrepreneur, I get this question asked like, Arijit, please tell me what is the lucrative way to build a business online? And when I try to answer this question, I try to think what is going on in their mindset, what is going on in those people's mindset. A lot of people might be talking to you about dropshipping. A lot of people might be talking to you about consultancy, like owning your own products, doing digital marketing products, doing social media marketing, doing Bitcoin industry, doing forex trading or anything like that, right? Even solar industry as well. People will tell you to do those industry and make huge amount of money. But when I try to answer this particular question, I try to think of something that is going to stick for longer period of time. You can go for drop shipping. It's a big industry, it's a booming industry, but think of this. What if your product dies and you lose all your business? Then you have to start again, right? It's not a long-term business unless you build a brand for yourself. It's not a long-term business. So the simplest path to build a business online is to do affiliate marketing. It's been proven, like last year 6.8 billion dollars has been transferred to affiliate marketers from different companies. 80% of this world, or 80% of the companies that are in this world has an affiliate program. You can literally just go to Google, type in headphone affiliate program. You would get huge amount of results, like millions and millions of results about headphone affiliate programs. Razer has a headphone program, even Apple has a headphone program, and those are the big billion-dollar industry, right? So all you have to do is align yourself to those particular companies and start selling their products. That's it. Your job is to sell those products. And the most common problem with 96% of the affiliate marketers who don't make huge amount of money with affiliate marketing is that they don't know how to convert traffic into leads or into prospects or into sales. Maybe, who knows, they just want to get leads, they just want their email IDs and everything. So they are not able to convince those people to take out their credit cards or debit cards and make the transaction, make the purchase. That is the most common thing, guys. So selling other people's products for commission is the simplest way to build a solid business foundation. Only if you know how to do it properly. Only if you know how to do it properly. Else you can just go to any industry and you will see huge amount of, like, mass volume of people are not making one single dime from that industry. You can do that. You can just go to any industry you want, or you might have been doing that. You might have been going through course after course, event after event, and you did not make even one single sale. And that is not the hardest part, guys. The hardest part is to start as an affiliate marketer, as an independent affiliate marketer, and from scratch. Basically the most hardest part is that. So I started as an independent affiliate marketer few years ago, and I started to sell products of other companies. I did not own any product of myself. I was selling other people's products. I made my first dollar from the internet, and then after that $1,000, $10,000, $100,000, and I even helped companies, different companies, make $800,000 in one single year. I've helped them with sales. So I didn't have to create those products. I didn't have to do the customer service part. I didn't have to overload with different works. I didn't have to even get a warehouse. I didn't have to get a office even. I was doing all those from my home. And I literally changed my crappy apartment. I bought a new car, and I am not telling this to brag. Just understand this concept. Once you get money into your bank account, the life will literally change. The way you walk, the way you talk, your zip code, your the way you drive your car, the way you eat, everything is dependent on money. It will change for sure. So why do 96% of the people fail online? The concept is quite simple, right? You just align with yourself with a company and you try to sell their products, and that's it. But why do 96% of the people out, like 96 out of 100 people fail in this industry? Can you imagine that? That's huge, right? Why do you think they do feel like that? Just because they don't have the awareness of this particular marketing. They are aware of what to do, but they don't know how to do it. They are aware of sending traffic to a landing page. They are just aware of that particular strategy, and that is why they are feeling like miserably they're feeling. So I have been learning from a mentor of mine who's Vic. He is the owner of the 4%, and in that particular training program he has literally created a step-by-step format, step-by-step, literally step-by-step format, where he will show you everything from start to finish about affiliate marketing. He will guide you the three different levels. Level one is going to take you from $0. If you are starting from scratch, it will take you from $0 to $10,000. Level 2 is going to take you $10,000 to $100,000. Level 3 is going to take you $100,000 to $1 million in sales or commissions, whatever you think of. If you go for sales, then 10%, 20%, 50%, 60% is going to be directing to your bank account, right? If you go for commissions, $1 million in commissions, what will you do with that money? Think of it, right? So I don't know what your current situation is right now. That is why I'm not claiming anything. All I know is that you're watching this video because of certain reason. You have been doing affiliate marketing, you have been doing Shopify or anything like that. You haven't even got the glimpse of the results that you were expecting from those marketing strategies, marketing platform. So that is why you are watching this video. So if you're truly interested into changing your life, you're truly interested in changing your lifestyle, the way you talk, the way you walk, or anything like that, if you want to go from $0 to your first $10,000, then $100,000, then $1 million, selling someone else's product, by the way, you don't have to own your product, you don't have to create your product, you don't have to sell your own, like whatever you have in front of you, you don't have to sell anything from your end, right? From your own products. You just have to sell other people's products. You don't have to do the customer service dealings or anything like that. You can be location independent, by the way. You don't have to sit in an office, you don't have to do anything from an official work. You can do it from anywhere on the planet. All you have to do or get is to have internet access and a laptop or desktop, whatever you call it. That's it. So most importantly, how to do this starting from scratch, step by step, is the most important factor. And that is why 96% of people fail in this industry. So I have been following Vic's strategies, Vic's platforms. And by the way, these training programs are going to stick for long, like 30 days for level 1, 30 days for level 2, 30 days for level 3, total of 90 days. And I can guarantee you that within 90 days, you are going to change your habit forever. Forever, you're going to change your habit. So the success challenge is that Vic and his team is on a mission to change 1 million people's lives. They are on a mission to change 1 million people's lives, and they have like a target to fulfill, like 1 million success stories. They have like 200,000 people are going through the challenge right now. You're missing out on this particular challenge if you are not aware of this fact. So 200,000 people are going through this challenge. They're changing their lives. They are creating success stories. Vic is using those success stories to create more success stories. That is what is called affiliate marketing, right? Leveraging something that you have created previously or generated previously and using that to your benefit. So check it out if you're truly interested with that. And I'm going to see you on the other side of this particular video. So I thank you for watching this video till this minute, if you are watching this by now. So take action, go to the link and just enter your details and everything. You will be enrolled for the success challenge. Watch those videos, whatever you have in front of you, watch those videos, take action. It will change your life. I'll see you on the other side. Stay tuned.